Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Totoge.com from registration through uploading a project and obtaining the final presentation. In order to use the site, I have to accept cookies. The site employs only session cookies. For the registration, we go to Login and click on the Click to Register link. Then I choose a username. Let's call it Designer. I also type my email address, which I've hidden due to privacy reasons, and then the password twice. After clicking on the register button, the system tells me that it has sent a confirmation email to my address. Clicking on this link leads me to the login page. After I've logged in, I choose to create a new project. If I already have some projects done, then they would be listed and I could edit them, but not now. Making a presentation takes a few steps. The first one is to upload my files. They are my CAD model in either STL, OBJ, or OFF format. Each volume body should be in a separate file. I made another video showing how to save a model onto STL format. You can find it under How To, How It Works link. The second is the configuration file, which controls the look and feel of the presentation. This is optional. For more information about the configuration file, go to How To, Configuration. There you will find a detailed description on the file structure and all the items in it. The last one is the project file, which controls the behavior of the model. This is necessary. For more information about the project file, go to How To, Project File. There you will find a detailed description on the file structure and all the items in it. In order to help the newbies on this site, Totoge provides a complete project which is ready to work with. I will use this for the demonstration. Here you can download the example project. In this example project, the model is stored in STL files, each body in separate files. These are ASCII files, but binary STL is also supported, along with the OBJ and the OFF file formats. All files are included in the archive. This is the project file. And this one is the configuration file. Now I go back to the project page and create my demonstration project. At first, let's give the project a name. I could accept the default new project, but it will be problematic after completing a few other projects, so I'll give it a meaningful name so that I can later tell what it is. Now it's time to upload the files. For the sake of simplicity, I did not change anything. I upload the files as they are by dragging them into the upload field. By scrolling down to the bottom, I make sure that all files have been arrived and no additional action is needed. After clicking on the Next button, I can change all settings provided in the project and configuration files. The first entries belong to the configuration. Each section is shown separately. The second and the third sections belong to the project file. If something is modified, then don't forget to click on the Save button, otherwise the changes won't take effect. Finally, I click on the Next button, and after a short computation in the background, I land on the final page, where my presentation is shown. Below, there is a small preview window where I can try all functions. Everything should work here, apart from the full screen button. If it's not good enough, I can go back to the settings page and try again. But if I accept it, then I can directly download it. But if I click on the share link, then Satoge provides a permanent link. I can share that link with others, and my 3D presentation will be accessible for them, even if they don't have a Satoge account. Of course, they won't be able to edit it, but at least they can see and download it. Last but not least, the presentation has a responsive design. What you have seen so far is the model UI. This appears on handheld devices like a smartphone or a tablet. By dragging the window wider, the UI will change and the desktop menu will be shown instead. Now I won't show the functionality of this presentation. There's another video on it. Please have a look. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.